Pencil. I use a pencil to write and draw. Pencil. Eraser. The eraser helps me fix my mistakes. Eraser. Pen. Please pass me a pen to sign the document. Pen. Ball pen. I prefer using a ball pen for writing. Ball pen. Colored pencils. The colored pencils allow me to create colorful artwork. Colored pencils. Ruler. I need a ruler to draw straight lines. Ruler. Exercise book. I write my exercises in the exercise book. Exercise book. Scissors. The scissors are sharp and used for cutting paper. Scissors. Glue. The glue helps me stick things together. Glue. Tape. Please hand me the tape to wrap the gift. Tape. Pencil case. I keep my pens and pencils in a pencil case. Pencil case. Notebook. I write my notes and thoughts in the notebook. Notebook. Bookmark. I use a bookmark to mark my place in a book. Bookmark. Envelope. Please put the letter in the envelope before sending it. Envelope. Knife. The knife is used for cutting objects carefully. Knife. Highlighter. The highlighter helps me mark important information. Highlighter. Ink. The ink is used for writing with a pen. Ink. Chalk. Teachers often write with chalk on the blackboard. Chalk. Blackboard. Teachers often write on the blackboard during class. Blackboard. Whiteboard. We can write and erase on the whiteboard. Whiteboard. Calculator. I use a calculator to solve math problems. Calculator. Dictionary. The dictionary helps me find the meanings of words. Dictionary. Planner. I organize my schedule and tasks in the planner. Planner. Folder. The folder helps me keep my papers organized. Folder. File box. I store important files in the file box. File box. Stapler. The stapler is used to bind papers together. Stapler. Pin. Use a pin to attach papers to the bulletin board. Pin. Pencil sharpener. I use a pencil sharpener to sharpen my pencils before drawing or writing. Pencil sharpener.
Congratulations! I hope you enjoyed learning these new vocabulary words. Please stay tuned for more videos on this account to continue expanding your word bank. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.